In this video, we are going to see how to fix the finals crashing on PC. First step, restart your device, completely close the finals and Steam application, restart your device. Once the restore complete after, move on with next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall, click it, click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall, click change settings, scroll down and search for the finals and Steam application. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the applications of not having means click allow another app, click browse, go to C drive, program files, Steam. You get the application, click it and click add. Like this you need to get the finals application and you need to add it. Once adding after you need to enable both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side. Then close it. Then the next step, click settings, click system settings, click display settings, scroll down, click graphic settings and make sure the application is added or not. If it's already added means you need to check it. The GPU preference depends on your device and the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Make sure in both Steam and the finals application. If it's not added means you need to click add desktop app and you need to add it. Once adding after you need to restart your device. Once the restart complete after, move on with next step. Click settings, click Windows Update, make your Windows up to date. Click check for update and make your Windows up to date. If there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Then move on with next step. Search for device manager, click it. Click display adapters. You can update the driver by using two methods. One is you can check the drivers here and go to the official website of the drivers, download and install it. And another method is you need to right click, click update drivers and you can update it. Depends on the device, it may vary, so you need to check here, then go to the official website of the drivers, download and install it. Next step, right click Steam, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. Once complete after, the last and final step, open Steam, click library, click application, right click, click properties, click install file and click verify integrity of the game files and wait for some time. It's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. So be patient for some times. Successfully validate. After close it, then restart your device.